Use the definition of congruence to decide whether the two figures are congruent. Explain your answer. Now, for those of you who don't know, the examples of definition for congruence are transformation, reflection, clockwise rotation, and counterclockwise rotation. So, by congruent, it means we have to find out if they're the same shape or not. If you take a close look of these shapes, they look the same shape, but what's wrong with them is that one is on the other side, upside down. So we have to test out these definitions of congruence to find out if they're congruent or not. Let's try reflection. Now, DEFG, if we reflect it over the y-axis, it'll be like this. Now, they almost look in sync, but not quite, right? Now, by the looks of it, if you look closely, they're the same shape, but they're not in place. So how about we try reflecting it again, except over the x-axis? Some of you might not know how it will work. So if we reflect this part over the x-axis, they'll end up right here. So how will we do it? Now it becomes like this. Making a note here, I'm just scribbling this just in case. So yeah, they seem to be in place. Now what we gotta do is explain what we do. So we could write, they are congruent because we reflect side D, E, F, G over the y-axis. And reflect again. Over the x-axis. So yeah, this pretty much concludes this lesson. Until next time, I'll be seeing you guys then.